Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can quickly increase your Borderlands 4 performance if you're using an Nvidia graphics card. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you need to go to your desktop and right click, and then click on Show More Options, and then click on Nvidia Control Panel. It may take a moment to open. If you can't find it when right-clicking on your desktop, you can also use the Windows Search feature to navigate to your Nvidia Control Panel. When in here, you want to go to Manage 3D Settings. Then you want to scroll down until you find Shader Cache Size. I want you to click on the number next to it, and then click on Unlimited. Once you do that, click on Apply. It may take a moment. Once the Apply button has vanished after you click on it, you can then close the Nvidia Control Panel. The next step is you need to open up Borderlands 4. Once you're in the game, go to your options. Then you want to go to Visuals. Then you want to go to Advanced. And there's a couple of things you should do. So firstly, for your upscaling method, I recommend you use DLSS. This will improve your performance. So click on the arrows to make sure you select DLSS. You can modify the upscaling quality setting if you want to, but you can just leave it as it is. Now you want to scroll down to the bottom, and you want to go to Lighting Quality. Make sure you set this to low. Lumens lighting is a real killer for frame rates. And those are the only two settings I recommend you just put down onto the minimum. Once you've changed the settings, click on Apply. And then click on Escape, and when you play the game, if you encountered stuttering or low frame rates, you'll probably find those have either been eliminated or been reduced. If you're still having issues, tinker around with other settings. But anyways, thanks for being a great audience, but sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.